Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can video call on WhatsApp web. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google WhatsApp web. Okay, and then you need to download WhatsApp web. Click on here, download WhatsApp web, and click on download for Windows. So now it start downloading, so it will take few minutes to download. So once it is completed, you simply need to go back, and in the downloads you will find WhatsApp. You simply need to open that. So now it is starting and it will connect with your smartphone. So you need to scan this code to log in WhatsApp. So I scan the code. Once I completed that step, so let me select any contact, and then you need to click on this call icon, that is video call, and click on that. Once you click on that, you can easily call that person. So this is a process by which you can video call on WhatsApp on web. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.